Hello, today I'm in Citroen C4 Cactus. In this video I'll show you how to use cruise control. In the beginning, to enable cruise control, accelerate to desired speed and then twist this button to the bottom. Now cruise control is enabled. You can see that by icon right here. Now press the plus button. And now you can release the acceleration pedal. If you want to increase speed, again press the plus button, decrease speed, minus button, and if you want to pause the cruise control, press the pause button. To start it again press plus button. And that's basically it. To disable cruise control, set it to 0 position. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.